Welcome back to BMW Review. For today's video, we're going to be going over the number one setting that you should adjust inside of your BMW. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel, BMW Review, what we do here is teach you everything there is to know about your BMW. We go over every single hidden tip, trick, and hidden feature inside of these vehicles. So if you want to learn everything there is to know about your BMW, do yourself a favor, subscribe to this channel because we put out content every single week. Also, before we get started, we did want to mention our really cool BMW key fob covers that are located right down below. Check these out at the end of the video. BMW key fob covers are pretty close to $300 to $400 a piece. So make sure you do yourself a favor and buy one of these key fob covers. They are, again, linked right down below. And we do provide shipping all across the US. So yes, everyone, the number one setting that you should adjust inside of your BMW is going to be this guy right over here where it says doors and windows. The reason why I mentioned that you should go into here and make some adjustments is for a plenty of different reasons. There are a few different features that I could name from the top of my head that I think you should definitely adjust. So let's just go right into it from left to right. So inside lock and unlock right over here, there was a couple different things that I adjusted immediately as soon as I got my BMW. So let's just go from top to bottom. So right over here, we have unlock all doors. Now by default, BMW has this set up to just be on the driver's side door only. The reason why I think you should do all doors is mainly because once you unlock the vehicle, whether it's through your key fob or as soon as you open up the door, or even if you approach the vehicle, by default, again, it is set to just open the driver's side door. But whenever you unlock the vehicle, it is going to open all the doors inside of your BMW. Now, I only have two doors, but the reason why I prefer doing this is mainly because if I have another passenger that is also going to be trying to get into the vehicle, I only have to click or open the door once on this side, and then it will go ahead and open all the doors. This is great if you have a family so that you don't have to either press the unlock button on your key fob twice or get into your car and then press the unlock button right over here. Having it set to all doors will open all the doors. If you were trying to get something from your back seat, you can just open your driver's side door and then it will open all the doors within the vehicle. So yes, that would be the first thing that I would do. Also, if you look right down here, I did go ahead and enable all of these features that we have here, but check on your menu because many of these may not be already enabled. One of the first ones that I was mentioned inside this screen is going to be the fold mirrors on lock and unlock. What that will do is whenever your vehicle is locked, your side mirrors here will fold in, and then that will prevent bumps and scratches that would be on your side mirrors, mainly because if you were looking at your car from a distance, you can also check to see if your vehicle is locked from a distance. The other ones that I would also suggest you do is going to be turn off after opening door. The main reason why I would recommend doing this is because as soon as you turn off your vehicle, you're going to notice that your BMW screens are still going to be running. As soon as you put your BMW straight into park, take off your seatbelt, and then open the door, you're going to notice that the screens here are going to be completely off or turn off. If you were to leave that off, your BMW screens will still be on as soon as you open up the door. And then you would have to rely on locking the vehicle in order to turn off your screens here. The rest of these are also good to have on lock after a short time. If you accidentally unlock your BMW, this will make sure that the vehicle gets locked. And then many of these you can just see for yourself, but those are the three inside of this menu here that I would change. The next few ones that I would look into is this guy right over here where it says comfort access. You do not have to go into the screen to turn on and off the feature. But here's a controversial one that I will bring up. Comfort access is the ability for you to walk up to your car, and then as soon as you do, the vehicle will sense the key getting close to the car and then go ahead and unlock itself before you can even touch the door handle. There's also one below it called lock when walking away. This one's really handy because, again, it does what it will say it would do, and that is whenever you walk away from the vehicle with the key inside of your pocket, it will sense that the key is going away from the vehicle and then it will lock the car. Now, many people, they have both of these enabled, but if you do that, the only issue that you may come across is that if you have your BMW parked inside of your garage, if you tend to walk around your garage quite a bit or even walk past your vehicle, you're going to notice that unlock when approaching is going to make the vehicle unlock itself, and then whenever you walk away, it's also going to lock itself. So what's going to happen is that your BMW is just constantly going to make noise as soon as you're walking around it, and at times that could get really annoying. So what I do in my vehicle is I have the unlock when approaching off, and I have on the lock when walking away. So by doing this, I personally think it is more convenient, because obviously you do have to grab your door handle to get into your BMW, and then as soon as you do that, it will go ahead and unlock the vehicle. And then of course you do have the benefit of walking away from your BMW with the key, and then it will just go ahead and lock itself. That is how I have mine set up, and I think that you should too. Digital key is also a big one here. Now you can't go into digital key and set this up. The best way to do this is going to be on your BMW app. Just go into your BMW app. Once you have your vehicle all set up, you're going to see a blue box right below your toolbar, and then right below that is going to say set up digital key. That is where you would go to set up your digital key. Digital key is very handy. That is the feature where you can use your phone to unlock the vehicle. If you have an older BMW, you can just tap your phone on the door handle. That will lock and unlock the vehicle. If you have a newer BMW, such as the brand new X3, you have ultra wideband within your BMW, so you could just walk up to your vehicle with the phone in your pocket, and then it will go ahead and unlock itself. The other thing inside of digital key is if you have a key card. Now, many people are not sure if their BMW came with a key card. Some of them do, some of them don't. It all depends on what came from the factory. If you wanted to check to see if your BMW has the digital key card or not, look inside your glove compartment here. You can check out the manual. Inside of the manual, now my manual may not look the same as yours, but inside of the manual, you're gonna see like a little cutout. As soon as you open up your manual cover, you're gonna see a little cutout here where there might be a digital key card right there as well. That is gonna be another thing to watch out for, is if your BMW came with a digital key card. You can just place your key card right in the charging tray here, and then it will prompt you if you wanted to activate the key card. That is how you do that. The menu item that we have here, the only time you would be going into the digital key menu here is if you needed to reset the function to reset all the digital keys. So yes, everyone, doors and windows is going to be a very important setting menu that you need to check out. There are going to be a few adjustments that you need to do there. I would probably do that as soon as you get your brand new BMW. That is all that I have for this video today. If you all had any questions, write them down below. If there was another setting menu that you wanted my opinion on, definitely comment right down below, and I would be more than happy to do a separate video on that. Take care, have a great day. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I will be putting out content every single week. So I will see you all for the next one.